Multiple award-winning singer Rema walked off the stage at the 2024 Dreamville Festival in North Carolina, midway in his performance on Sunday. Dreamville Festival was created by American hip-hop superstar J. Cole. The Afrofusion star was performing his hit song Calm Down on day 2 of the festival, but stopped midway to complain about the poor sound before walking off stage. The Calm Down hitmaker advocated for same sound quality for African artists as their Western counterpart on international stages. Midway through the performance, he paused and said, "Hold on, there are too many sound issues. It's messing up my whole performances. I'm serious, not feeling this shit. I'm representing Africa. This is too messed up if the sound cannot be perfect for every artist that gets on this stage. Africa is in the house and you are messing shit up."
Yo, there's too many sound issues. It's messing up my whole performance. I'm seriously not feeling this shit. It's too messed up. I'm representing Africa. This is too messed up. My sound in the building, baby. So the sound cannot be perfect for every artist that get on this stage. Africa is in the house and you're messing shit up. I'll walk out this stage.
Despite his efforts to continue, the persistent sound problem led to him cutting short his performance. He stated, "Too many sound issues, my people. I love you all," before walking off stage.
Too many sound issues, my people. I love you. Good night. We out.
Dreamville, we love you. Too many sound issues though.